Hello and welcome. I'm Laura. Did you know that Canva has a new offline feature, a feature where you can actually design offline? You do not need to be connected to the internet. This is a bit of a game changer, especially if you're in a dodgy internet connection area or you need to show something and you don't have connection to the internet, or you're on a train. Now, I find train journeys, I never have any internet connection. So this is going to be huge for people who need to be able to work but may not necessarily have a connection to the internet. So I'm going to head over to my screen and I'm going to show you what this is all about and what you can actually do with this new offline feature. So here we are on my Canva dashboard. Now, I think the offline feature is going to be very, very useful. In particular, for me, I do go on long train journeys from time to time, and I often find I have to take a book, which is really nice. But sometimes, if I want to work on a presentation or work on some designs, I can't because I do not tend to get any Wi-Fi when I'm traveling on the train. So this is where a real live use case of this feature I can show you today because this will actually benefit me no end. I'm going to click on one of the template presentations that are on Canva, this one here. So let's say this is my presentation. I need to edit it for a training or a workshop. I'm on the train and I've got no Wi-Fi, which is a bit of a nightmare. Or even if I wanted to start taking some notes or start working on something new, I've got a 2 to 3 hour train journey and I can't do it. So it's very frustrating. But with the new offline feature, I can. I can now save this presentation in advance to be offline so that when I'm on that train, I can open this up and I've got it there ready to work on. And the way to do that is to open up your design. This little icon here normally saves all of your changes as you're working on your design, and it still does that. But if you click on it, you can now make this available offline. And it says here, offline designs are stored on this device and visible to anyone who uses it. To use them offline elsewhere, make them available on that device too. So you can send the design to other people using the share option, and it can be made offline on multiple devices. But this, as I said, would be perfect for people with long train journeys. Or even if you're presenting and all of a sudden the internet has gone out, as it has happened before, you can now use this feature. So if I click make available offline, Canva is now preparing my design so that I can actually make it available offline and then edit it when it's finished. So once this has sorted out my design for me, I can now edit this design in any way I want as it's now available offline. I can edit this and it will still save it for me. So once we are back online, I have got all of my saved changes in there as well. And I can use my presentation and I can get some work done on the train. So that's one of the reasons, one of the ways I think that the offline feature is going to be really, really beneficial. No internet, no Wi-Fi, your data's disconnected, you need to get some work done. You can now switch to offline mode and you can still work and it will save your changes for you. So that's me. I would use this on train journeys. I would love to know where you would use this feature. So that's it from me today. If you have enjoyed this short video, please do make sure you follow my channel as I've got lots of different videos available for you, especially for business owners and helping you have that knowledge to grow your business.